Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, the 24th day of June already. Rich here at, well, it's early. It's 25 minutes till 4 o'clock in the morning. Some of you dealt with some powerful thunderstorms this week. In fact, some towns more than one. Other towns came up dry, and the big story over the weekend was the triple-digit heat, the relentless humidity, and that will be in place again today. We will talk about your rain chances for the week ahead. I'll try to dissect it for you. Rain chances up a little bit today and tomorrow, mid-range on Wednesday and Thursday, and then spiking again in a big way perhaps by the weekend. Let's get started. Glad you're here. In the middle of the night as I make this, look at that big complex of thunderstorms crossing the Mississippi River and heading towards western Alabama right now. I think as it gets into western Alabama, the storms may tend to decrease and then redevelop in the afternoon heat later in the day. You follow me? So there'll be a degeneration and then a regeneration later on. And I think some of the storms could be strong, maybe severe. Storm Prediction Center has a level 2 risk in northeastern Alabama and even a marginal risk as far south as Troy, Montgomery, Tuscaloosa later in the day today. So maybe some damaging wind gusts. So a very hot, sticky day with a high around 95, heat index 100 to 105, and that's the breeding ground for some scattered thunderstorms later on, which will be a little bit more numerous than the last couple of days. On Tuesday, I think the storms will be generous supply, at least a 40% coverage, and then scattered storms, more of a standard 30% chance as we get into Wednesday and then Thursday. But I think by the time we get into later in the week, like around Friday, we will be in between two big upper highs, one to the east, one to the west, and that causes what we call a weakness in the atmosphere, and that will lead to a better rain chances Friday, Saturday, and through the upcoming weekend. So if you have weekend plans, just know that the rain chances are going to be higher this time around, at least I think in the 50% chance range on Friday, I think, and then we may have to adjust that, and at least in the 50% range Saturday, and again, that could be adjusted, and same deal on Sunday as well. So your weekend plans need to be a little bit more flexible this time around. Our review of the week ahead calls for about a 40% chance of storms on Tuesday, and then the standard 30% chance Wednesday and Thursday with highs in the low to mid-90s, and then we'll bump the rain chances up to at least 50% by Friday, Saturday, and probably Sunday as well. Beach forecast calling for, if this is your week for the beach, relatively small chances of rain Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday with highs in the upper 80s, and then better rain chances as we get towards Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So some of us who will be down there this weekend may have to dodge a few raindrops. So that's it. Thanks for sticking around for this late in the video. This morning we're live on the radio from 6 to 9 from News Talk 90 on News Talk 93.1. Greg is off this week, but we'll try to hold it together with the rest of the crew. And we'll be talking weather with meteorologist Ryan Stinnett on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 a.m. We also talk to their morning crew at 6:40, and there'll be another video first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. Have a great day today. Stay cool. Watch the radar. We'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.